Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a spring makeup look and I use some beautiful bright colors today, and all the eyeshadows that I use are from Sugar Peel. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful springtime look, then continue to watch. Okay, so for the first color we're going to use this color right here, which is Uninterrupted by MAC, and we're going to use this to apply to our crease, and we're going to blend it out with a large fluffy brush. Okay, so for the first Sugar Peel color, this is 2 AM, which is like a pinkish purple, and we're going to place this in the crease on top of the Uninterrupted by MAC to define the crease. The second color we're going to go in by Sugar Peel is called Flame Point, and we're going to apply this orange eyeshadow on 1/3 of the eyelid. Okay, so the pink that we are using is called Dolly Pop, and we're going to place that right next to the orange in the center of the lid. Okay, so next is this beautiful deep purple, also from Sugar Peel. This is called Poison Plum, and we're going to place this on the outer V, and we're also going to take it up into the crease with a large fluffy brush. Okay, so for my eyebrow highlight, I'm going to use this NYX eyeshadow in the color Blame It on Midnight. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and use this LA Girl primer in white, and we're going to place this on the lower lash, not the lower lash line, but the waterline. Okay, so we're going to apply liner and lashes off camera, and we're also going to set the face with Tarte Shape Tape in Deep, also Topaz by Ben Nye. Okay, so right here I'm just going to take that LA Girl Pro Primer, and I'm going to place that on the lash line, so the colors that we put down at the bottom will be bright and vibrant. So the next two colors I'm going to use is the blue After Party and the green, which is called Acid Berry. Same company, Sugar Peel. We're just going to place the teal blue on the outer part of the lower lash line, and the green eyeshadow Acid Berry on the front of the lash line. Okay, so I'm going to use two glitters, like a lime green, and then I think the other iridescent glitter is from BH Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm going to highlight and contour with the Juvia's Place Saharian 2 palette. I'm going to use the highlighter in Zara. And then to contour, I am using the Black Radiance foundation in Deep Coffee, and I'm also just blending it out. So the two lipsticks that I'm trying are both from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just going to place that on the lips. And this is a gloss. It is not a MAC liquid lipstick. It is a glossy lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply it to the lips and blend it out. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and it is so pretty and so bright. I absolutely love color. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll know when your girl upload a new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.